Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will help you how to fix that when you are trying to record the video inside the OBS studio software, so video recording software, at that time it will show you the error output starting the output fail. Please check the log for the detail. And if you are facing this error, then what you have to do, no need to update any software, anything else. Just there is some setting issue is there, so what you have to do, you have to just open your software, OBS studio software, and go to their file and then go to the setting file menu, then setting, then you have to go to the output. After going to the output, you will see this streaming section is there, and there is the recording section. Inside the streaming you will see that the video encoder, for my case it is software X264. I have changed that setting, and in your case maybe the different is showing. So what you have to do, that you have to just change to the software X264, and same you have to do for the recording section also. If you see that the video encoder software X624, so if you do this, then it will work properly. So after that, what you have to do, you have to just what you have to do, you have to just apply there. You have to just apply and then click on the OK, then it will work for you. After that, restart your software, so it will work. If still you are facing the same issue for different error, then you can ping me, and I will check that error and I will make the another video for you. Thank you so much guys.